Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix please wait few minutes before you try again Instagram. This kind of error occurs in Instagram when you log in and log out your Instagram again and again. So without wasting any time, let's go the solution. First of all, you have to close that. After closing that, what you have to do is you have to go to settings of your device. After that, you have to look for apps or application manager in your device. After opening apps or application manager, you have to scroll down and you have to look for Instagram. You have to click on that. After opening Instagram, what you have to do is you have to click on storage and you have to clear the cache of your Instagram app, and you have to check whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem is still there, you can also go for the clear data, but I will recommend you to not do that. You have to check the problem if the problem has solved. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do is you have to uninstall your Instagram app and reinstall an updated version of the Instagram from the Play Store. If the problem is still occurring, what you have to do is you have to wait few minutes, as the problem is saying that you have to wait few minutes, because when you log in and log out your account again and again, then Instagram blocks your account. So you have to log in your account after a few hours, then your account will be back. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.